Cut and sew. Benefits, processes, and types. Everything you need to know about cut and sew. What is cut and sew? The benefits of cut and sew. How to choose a cut and sew manufacturer. The process for cut and sew. And much more. Chapter 1. What is cut and sew? Chapter 2. What is the process for cut and sew manufacturing? Cut and sew process. Pattern design. Finding a sewing manufacturer. Key production stages managed by professional cut and sew manufacturers include fabric inspection, cutting, sewing, quality control, offshore, digital printing, common fabric printing methods include screen printing, direct-to-garment, digital fabric printing, sublimation printing, direct digital printing, cutting process, Chapter 3. What are the different types of sewing machines? Lock stitch machines. Overlock machines. Flat lock sewing machines. Feed off the arm machine. Buttonhole and attaching. Bardak machine. Zigzag stitching. Frequently asked questions. What is cut and sew manufacturing? Which products are commonly made using the cut and sew process? What are the primary steps in the cut and sew manufacturing process? How does digital textile printing enhance cut and sew apparel? What types of industrial sewing machines are used in cut and sew manufacturing? Why do many U.S. apparel brands prefer domestic cut and sew manufacturers? Chapter 4. What are the benefits of cut and sew manufacturing? Cut and sew manufacturing benefits. Planning benefit. Cut and sew tech pack. Common elements found in a cut and sew tech pack include cut and sew professionals, minimum order quantities, manufacturer service and guidance, outsourcing cut and sew, Chapter 5. How do you choose a cut and sew manufacturer? How to choose a cut and sew manufacturer. Cut and sew cost. Production size. Knowledge and experience of a cut and sew company. Conclusion. Please visit www.iqsdirectory.com to find the right cut and sew manufacturer for your needs.